Lapit lang.
Morning everyone! Good morning! Isang umaga po sa lahat! Ay buntag! We always like to start with the message of the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. But the second best time is today. It's right now. Okay? We are very happy one who registered for this BTC Duathlon distance. We will start this year with a big bang of fun. So, let's clap! Our goal in this event is to have fun. And we will consider safety and camaraderie as our utmost priority. Okay? We're humbled to announce the support and dedication of the community. We are very thankful for BTC
Morning guys, tayo sa Duathlon guys. First event dito sa Duathlon. Yan. Ayos. Minute. Isa sa ating malakas, si Arnold. Ayan. Okay guys, yan. Tara. Start tayo, sige.
Yun lang, for the picture lang yun.
Wala
na sila.
Init muna.
Pakita ito, ayun, si Hazel pati.
Alam mo na kung kanino pa ang pupulit natin mamaya.
Ano makaka-recover? Yun.
Dahil pang ano.
Tam tayo. Ayo. Sa stadium. Morning. Waisin. Kaya. Apoy na. Kaya na. Kapoy na. Yan. Saan?
Oh, game. Oh. Yun oh. Pumutang ina. Kala ko lumabas ka na. Andiyan ka rarat. Sige, may tinulungan ka. Sige, ipaliwanag mo.
Mahawa ka sa bahay.
Akala ko sabi ko lumabas na pala si Budoy. Andun pala sa gilid. Ala, saan na isa? Tatlo kayo ah.
Go. Last 40 kilometer. 40 na lang. Tapos na. Finish na kami. Gutom na katama ko.
Katapos ng buhay.
Buhay si Irene. Buhay si Irene. Buhay. Mamaya, patay ako. Nice one. Yan, 40 kilometer na. Oh, ayun oh. Ay, basta. Gutom na, gutom na. Gutom na. Gutom na, gutom na.
Thank you.
Yan. Gutom na siya, gutom. Yan na. Babawi to, babawi. Nice.
Dahil.
O, tingnan siya, Isel. Tingnan siya, Isel.
Dalawa pa.
Tingnan siya, Isel eh. Yun! Buhay si Hazel! Buhay si Hazel! Buhay si Hazel! Buhay si Hazel! Buhay! Go, 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 go! O tara, kain tayo!
Nakabawi, nakabawi.
Nakabawi sa East West ha. Ayan, yan. Mga buhay, buhay. Buhay! Buhay, ay. Kaya, kaya, kinaya, kinaya.
Wait lang ha. Name po. 29. Kanan mo sila Arlene?
Okay, female open division. Okay, third place. Wala yung team nito eh. So, manalo. From BTC, time is 1 hour, 43 minutes, and 53 seconds. Christine Manalo! Grabe naman yan. Pamilyon! Pamilyon! Paano yung ano? Hindi na ko dyan.
Matubig.
Pangalawang.
Okay. Second, from bike to work.
Yan!
Ano? 5 minutes and 41 seconds.
Biglang tumakbo na.
Bike to work. The champion, veteran from BTC. Yay!
Wala pa, wala pa.
26 seconds. Medina.
Dito ka sir.
1 million. Miss Budget Jeep, Miss Budget Jeep. Budget Jeep.
Ay, sombrero. Ay,
Ako ba? Hindi ko ipapa ko. Wala, kinala eh. Kinala ito.
Appendix nito eh.
Suot mo yan!
Bawi registration fee ba? Budget Jeep. Ah!
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and you believe in what you got. It was built to last. Yeah.
Now that I'm in through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got it.
Dahan-dahan lang naman. Ayan po. Ayan po ang ating magiting na duathlete. Oh, tingnan mo naman. Parang bibi maglakad. Oh. Ba, diretso na. Oo, ba? Diretso, ba? Nakakita na.
yung balikat sa mataas.
May video lang eh. Diretso na maglakad.